Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. We're here to give you all a different perspective on where the trap is headed. We're not here to confuse you. We're not here to give you any of that confusing jargon that some people don't realize how to trade. We're here to give you a prediction and a forecast simplistically. All right. So before I get into this video for Nvidia, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. This is the only location to where we give you all something beneficial, something to look forward to as to where the market is headed. Now, for our perspective, this is what we do. This is what we're all about. We look at where the trap is headed so we can get in a position before he takes the price there. This is the only way that you're able to get the profits out the market and maintain profitability, because you're able to read what he's going to do. So on today's video, it's about Nvidia. And you guys can see from our last video, I think it was September the 18th was the last time we did a video in Nvidia. And you guys can see what our expectations were. We expected the market to go higher in price. I even think I told you that the market may even make or attempt to make all-time highs. And you guys can see it as I zoom in on this chart. 3 days, the 12th, 13th, and then on the 14th, the market in Nvidia tried to inch a little bit higher and make all-time highs. It didn't happen though. But either way, 4.25% back here when we did our video on the 18th of September could have been bagged. We could have taken that out of the trap's hand and placed it back into our account because we were in position. We saw this coming right before the market actually got there. Now, if you was able to hold a little bit longer, I mean, at the very top, at least 15% profitability could have been had at the all-time, well, during the 12th, 13th, and the 14th, at least. So from 4.25 all the way up to around 15% was all profitability from September the 18th all the way to where we're at right now. Well, until October the 14th. Now that's done. You know, that's past. Cannot dwell on that. We need to look forward. We need to get in a position as to where the trap is headed now. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out and I want to show you something, because what changed? Did anything change into the market in Nvidia? This particular stock has been in a massive uptrend, right? A very strong uptrend this market in Nvidia has been in. I mean, we started this uptrend back in April of 2020. Market kept going higher and higher. What happened though? Because this market, the trap was following this line that I got drawn on my chart. What happened over the last 3 trading days? We broke that trend. So we need to reevaluate whether or not Nvidia is going to come back and trade alongside this trend, because it's broke. The trend is now broken. So right now, from our perspective, from our camp, we're not looking for Nvidia to go higher right now. So once you X that out the way, we only have 2 more areas that the traffic can go, which is sideways and lower price. Those are the 2 areas that we need to focus in on right now. Okay. So in this video, we're going to look at which one seems more feasible, sideways or lower movement. Looking at the video on the 3-day chart, we are in a downtrend. Okay. Don't let no one else tell you different. This market in Nvidia is in a downtrend. 5-day chart. Let's take a look at that. Again, the market in Nvidia is in a downtrend. Now, I'm going to show you 2 areas to where restriction lies and support lies. I'm going to get rid of this trend right here, since it's now broken, is irrelevant now. So I'm going to show you the first restriction area in the market for Nvidia, and it's right around this area here. Okay. So this means, this horizontal line right here simply means that we're not going to look for any bullishness until we see this market in Nvidia break up above it. Okay. Let me take a look at this on a different time frame. I'm going to bring it up just a tad to around 5:30. Okay, that's a little bit better for us. Okay, So here we are, $530 is restriction in the market for Nvidia. Okay, so now, where do you think the market support is? If you said around 480, you are correct. That is where the support area lies into the market for Nvidia. Now it's not precise, it's in and around 480. Okay, so this is what the consolidational area looks like for Nvidia. This is where the market can move sideways in between these two horizontal lines. Now we're in a downtrend, which simply means we're coming into this area of trading now. Can the trap maintain this sideways consolidational trade, or we're going to break this to the downside? We need to figure that out. Okay, so here we are looking at the market on the 5-day chart in Nvidia. We're still in a downtrend. Weekly time frame, what do you think the market's going to do now? Yeah, you think it's going to go lower? I'm in the same boat as you. I still see weakness here in the market for Nvidia, especially how we ended last week. And one of the things we need to focus in on is right here, November the 18th. Is where the market in Nvidia is going to have earnings. And the trap, he always plays on events. So he's prepping what he's looking for the market to do. Now we might come down to 480. Okay, we'll come down to 480 over the next couple of trading days prior to earnings release, and then we'll bounce the market here at 480 higher. Okay, I can definitely see that occurring around November the 18th or November the 16th for sure. Okay, but for the time being, we're going to play the weakness into the market in Nvidia. We still see a little bit of weakness here in this particular stock. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and get in position. We're going to go ahead and show you our expectations into the market for Nvidia. That restriction area is around 520, 530. Okay. And our support area is around 480. So we're going to go ahead and do a TP around this vicinity. Now, it might not be precise, but it's close. $480. Okay, 4.5% is where we'll TP the market. But I'm going to lower it just a tad, just to give us a little bit more leeway for an extension, just in case the market, especially in the NASDAQ, gets overwhelmed with a lot of selling. Okay, so this is our expectation. This is our prediction. $480 is our TP price. We could come down to 460, but 480 is more realistic. So now is your turn. This is our prediction. Give us yours. Is Nvidia a sell or is it a buy? Tell us with a comment in the comment section, and that's how we roll. We get in a position, we're here, and now we sit back and wait and let the trap perform. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain that profitability and trade different.